Hello, my name is Mark Anthony Factor and my course is PS Computer Engineering. And this is my interpretation of the statement we co-create meaning in communication. So, this statement emphasizes the collaborative nature of communication where people exchange their ideas, their thoughts and their emotions which leads to them constructing a shared consciousness or understanding. It is communication is not just a one-way process kung saan nagsasalita ka lang tas nakikinig lang yung tao. It is a dynamic siya which ikaw magsasalita and the other person will contribute to that conversation. It's an exchange of ideas. And because of that, they are able to make sense of the information that they're conveying to one another. And in every conversation or interaction with a person, the meaning hindi siya parang inherently embedded sa words or gestures. Rather, yung meaning ng mga words nag-emerge siya through the interactions of two people, where it is shaped by their individual experiences, their mga natutunan nila sa buhay, yung mga emosyon nila, tapos mga perception nila dun sa words na yon. This process involves a bit of back and forth and negotiation. Yung parang you are deciding what that word would mean, and pinapa-clarify nyo din kung nagka-clarify din kayo sa mga meaning sa word na yon. And because of that, both parties are able to adapt and work together so that they can come to a mutual understanding of the statements that they're making. Like halimbawa, when a person use a particular phrase or gesture, its meaning can vary from one person to another depending on depende sa context yon, yung relationship nila at yung alam nila about dun sa statement na yon. Both parties, both people are contributing to that interpretation and refining the message, often through yung pag feedback about the statement na yon. And through those responses, the conversation can lead to a mutual understanding. Moreover, this co-creation of putting meanings to words shows the importance of being empathetic, yung nagpaparamdam ka sa tao, and pagiging active listener and being open-minded when you're communicating with the person. And by being aware of the other person's perspectives and responding thoroughly to that experiences allows you to bridge the gap in the understanding and create a more meaningful connection. So in summary, sorry magulo. So in summary, co-creation of words is a collaborative effort where each person does not instantly share their ideas, but rather can form their very own meaning to the words, for as long as they are able to emphasize and understand the other person's perspective, which allows them to effectively communicate and accurately understand the meaning behind the other person's words. Thank you for listening to my interpretation of it, and ayun, salamat po.